Are we currently seeing the start of the next bull run? We want to answer this question in today's video together with Finn and Liam. I will update you on the latest Bitcoin developments right after the intro. Finn will talk about the newest ETF inflows and what they have to do with our latest pump. Also, he will show you some really interesting on-chain data. Right after the on-chain data, we will jump into the charts with Liam together. He will talk about the weekly, daily and hourly time frame. He will tell you what are the most important chart pattern and price levels are right now. If you like the video in the end, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. I would say let's start into the video. Let's go.
Today we have more or less just the one big thing to talk about, and that is the flow data. For sure, the spot ETFs are closed today. They are typical finance products which are not traded on the weekends, but the data gets reported one day delayed. So we got the data from Friday today, and again we saw big net inflows to the spot ETFs. Grayscale is selling less and less and less, and the other spot ETFs keep accumulating and even stock up their accumulating speed. So we saw an inflow of nearly $540 million on Friday, which is the third biggest inflow after we had the third biggest inflow on Thursday already with $400 million net inflow. But again, we saw an even bigger inflow. Maybe we'll have a look at this chart. Here's it kind of visualized, but it's just the IBIT flows, so it's just the BlackRock flows. But you can see here on February 8th, so Thursday, we got a big inflow, and today we got an even bigger inflow. So that's a really good sign for Bitcoin, and still shows us that the correlation between the spot ETFs and Bitcoin is very, very high, which also coincidences with the fact that we are not seeing big price moves at the moment because the spot ETFs are not trading on the weekends. But maybe there's a little twist on that thing, because we have to look at this article. And Coinbase analyst made a study on how big the impact and correlation between the spot ETFs and the crypto market is, and they found out there's only 10 to 15% of the total volume traded by the spot ETFs. So the spot ETFs themselves are not that important for the crypto market, but in my opinion, it seems like that the spot ETFs are the news. Everybody is looking at the moment, so the 10 to 15% already have a big impact. But the fact that everybody is looking on exactly this data and always waiting for this flow data gives the spot ETF an even bigger impact on the crypto price. So that is, in my opinion, the case why we see this very high correlation between the spot ETFs and the Bitcoin price at the moment. This could change because the intrinsic volume is just 10 to 15%. So the rest of the crypto market is much, much larger. But at the moment, everybody's looking at the flow data, so we have this big correlation. But for now, I think that's the most important stuff we have to talk about today. And for now, we'll give on to Liam, who will have a look at the charts with you.
Guys, welcome back to a new chart analysis, and we are coming closer to a very, very bullish and very, very nice weekly close for the Bitcoin price. We are currently above 47,000 US dollar, and it looks like we are closing at around this price level, because I don't think that we will have big price movements on the weekends because of the low volume we have due to the activity or due to the non-activity of the ETF inflows. So basically, we can expect that we are closing at around 47,000 US dollar or above 47,000 US dollar with the weekly candle, and this would be around 3,000 US dollar higher weekly close than the last highest weekly close here, and this is a very bullish sign. So if we are closing here, we can expect that we go maybe much further to the upside in or above levels like 50 or 51,000 US dollar. We also have an important chart pattern on the hourly chart, which has a breakout target above 50,000 US dollar, but more for that later. So let's go forward to the day chart, because here we can also see that we had the highest day close. The current highest day close before was around 47 US dollar, slightly below 47,000 US dollar, but the daily close yesterday was around 47,200 US dollar. So basically, we have the highest day close since we started in the bear market or since the bull market was over. So basically, this is another very bullish sign for the Bitcoin price. I also want to mention that we currently still have this resistance line above us. So it is also possible that we have a small retest with the Bitcoin price, or maybe a small dump here in this direction, because we have this resistance above us and we didn't break out to the upside out of this resistance here, but we also break out to the upside here. So it is also very likely for the Bitcoin price to break here out, because we have the higher daily weekly close. So this looks also very bullish. And it is also very interesting that we are breaking out of the uptrend channel we formed here. So here we also break out of the uptrend channel with a massive and strong pump to the upside, and then consolidated a little bit and had also another pump to the upside. So basically the same can also happen here, that we go to levels above 52,000 US dollar here, have a little consolidation here, and then we have to decide, or the Bitcoin price have to decide, whether we go to the downside or if we are going right into the direction of the 60,000 US dollars. And guys, let's go forward to the hourly chart, because on the hourly chart we have a very, very important and also strong pattern, because on the hourly chart we have a bull flag, and the bull flag pattern is typically a long continuation pattern. So basically, if we have a long run here, then we have this slight consolidation, a slight downtrend consolidation, and then we see another pump in the Bitcoin price or in the charts. So basically, this can, or this could be a breakout target of around, let me draw it in, guys, of around 42,500 US dollars. So with this pattern, or with a breakout of this pattern, we would be over the 50,000 US dollars for the first time since over a year, since the last bull market. So we have to keep an eye on this. If we are breaking out of this pattern at the weekend, then we can also expect that we reach much further levels with the Bitcoin price in the next week. So guys, keep an eye on this here, and we will also have an update tomorrow when we are closing, or when we are closer to the weekly close, and have to see where we close the weekly candle to see if the next week will also bullish like this week. So guys, this was the chart analysis. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you also enjoyed the whole video. So leave a like and a subscription, and we see us in the next video tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.